رَبَّنَا هَبْ لَنَا مِنْ أَزْوَاجِنَا وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا قُرَّةَ أَعْيُنٍ وَاجْعَلْنَا لِلْمُتَّقِينَ إِمَامًا. O Allah, grant us from our spouses and children the coolness of our eyes, and make us imams, make us leaders for the pious. This is a Quranic dua. This is a beautiful dua. And it represents not just the desire for a companion, not just the desire for children, but it represents what would be driving you to make that dua in the first place, which is to increase, first and foremost, increase the obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala on this earth. Because the coolness of your eyes in marriage and the coolness of your eyes in your children should be to see people that are in the worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you can't say, let us have in our spouses and our children the coolness of our eyes and people that are religious and people that are practicing, but then not really have that represented in your criteria for marriage. So that's one group of people, right? Like, let me make this dua, رَبَّنَا هَبْ لَنَا مِنْ أَزْوَاجِنَا وَذُرِّيَّاتِنَا قُرَّةَ أَعْيُنٍ. But you're not choosing people on the basis of the criteria of your dua.